You've heard the myth, humans only use 10% of their brain. But what if we could unlock the remaining 90%? Would we become geniuses, telepaths, or something even more powerful? The idea that we use only 10% of our brain is a popular myth, repeated in movies, books, and even advertisements. But here's the truth. We use 100% of our brain, just not all at once. Brain scans show that every part of the brain is active at different times. Even during sleep, our brain is working, processing memories, regulating body functions, and dreaming. So where did this myth come from? Some say it was misunderstood research from the early 20th century. Others blame pop culture. But neuroscientists agree the brain is always at work. Let's take a quick tour of your brain: frontal lobe decision-making, logic, planning; parietal lobe touch, spatial awareness; occipital lobe vision; temporal lobe hearing and language; cerebellum movement and balance; amygdala emotions; hippocampus memory. Even simple tasks, like making a cup of tea, involve many brain regions firing together. Your brain is like a symphony, with each section playing its part. Now imagine we could enhance brain function beyond natural limits. Could we remember every detail of our lives, solve impossible math problems instantly, learn languages in minutes? Science fiction says yes, but reality more complicated. Some savants do show extraordinary skills, like perfect memory or lightning-fast calculations. But these are rare and often come with trade-offs. Here's what's truly amazing. Your brain can rewire itself. This ability is called neuroplasticity. If you lose a sense, like sight, the brain can strengthen others. If one brain region is damaged, another may take over. Learning new things literally changes your brain's structure. You can grow new neural connections at any age. So in a way, we can expand our brain's potential with training, effort, and time. What are scientists doing to boost brain performance? Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, connect your thoughts to machines. Nootropics are drugs or supplements that aim to improve memory and focus. Meditation and mindfulness have been proven to reshape the brain and improve mental clarity. Transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, uses magnetic fields to activate parts of the brain. We're still far from becoming superhuman, but we're learning to enhance what we already have. Movies love to show people using 100% of their brain to gain powers like telekinesis, telepathy, time travel, and even immortality. But science doesn't support those abilities, at least not yet. Still, the human brain is more powerful than any computer. Its true power lies in creativity, adaptation, and consciousness, things we don't fully understand yet. In the future, we might develop artificial intelligence that works with our brain implants to enhance memory and learning, and even uploading thoughts directly to the cloud. But until then, the best way to unlock your brain's full potential is to use it more, learn, explore, create, and think deeply. Create. So what if we used 100% of our brain? We already do, but there's always room to grow, improve, and explore new limits. Let your curiosity be the fuel for your mind, because the brain you have is already the most powerful tool in the universe. What do you think the human brain is capable of? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more science videos from Quick Facts.